This is what our today's design will look like. It's a product review, something like this. So let's dive into it. Always make sure your layout is blank. Then after which you format your background to your desired design. Then you go in with a shape and a text. Format it to your desired format. Position it very well. Then insert a circle, format the circle, format the circle and make a duplicate of it. Then come in with the products you want to number of products you want to advertise or review. Then spread it across the circles. As you can see, spread across the circles one after the other, just like this. It's so wonderful, it's beautiful to be creative at this point. Just have to be creative. Make sure they look alike, align them such that they go at the same pin. As you can see here, remember to like and subscribe to our channel as it will encourage us to do more, do more, and update you guys with more of our tricks in PowerPoint presentation. Then come with your text, bring in text for each product, format to your desired color and align it accordingly under each product. Duplicate, then duplicate the slide and highlight the second and the last, move them to one side, then go to the first, increase the circle, increase the product, change the position of the text, change the color, just design it in your own way, however you want it to look like. This is a prototype. It's not a must you do it the way it's being done here. So just have an idea. This is a roadmap to what you want to get. As you can see, the way I'm doing it, I'll tilt it. If you like, you might leave it anyhow you want. Just like I always said, your creativity is required when learning tricks in PowerPoint. Your creativity is 100% required. Remember to give us a thumbs up. Remember to like us and follow our YouTube channel. Also remember to click the notification button so as you be the first to get our next video when we drop it. As you can see, you do the same thing for all one after the other. Make sure you duplicate the slide, the number of how many products you are showcasing, just like as you see here. As you can see, it's so simple, so short, and it's so straightforward. As you can see, this is a pure ad. This can actually be used for ad, after which a text is coming into the middle, the text of your choice. Here it says, let someone hug you. I'm sure you want somebody to hug you when you are confident that you are smelling nice. So this is useful for business owner, either big or small business owner. If you need to run a ad with a token, instead of giving it out, you can try doing this yourself. And you can also contact us. We will be glad to help design something so simple and meaningful like what you are saying. So after everything you have done here, the next thing you need to do is to select all the slides. Select all the slides and apply morph transition. Morph transition. Please don't rely on this alone. I'm sure this should give you 70% a go ahead. Then try as much as possible to also carry out research on your own. It will be my joy, it will be a thing of joy to hear that you are doing well and you are doing better. If you are watching to this minute, it means you are our friend. This is the end result, as you can see. Do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please, it's not going to cost you anything. Rather, it's going to help you, it's going to help you get a notification and improve on your PowerPoint presentation. Thank you as usual. God bless you. Bye.